Hi there, today we are going to discuss some various key combinations. To get more clear about these combinations, you can try them now. But note that these combinations will be more effective in Windows 10 PC. So, let's get started. Pressing the Windows plus right arrow key will split your screen, but first you have to restore down a window. If you will press Ctrl plus D, it will bookmark the tab on which you are on. Ctrl plus F will open a Find dialog to search a page for text. Holding down Ctrl plus Alt and pressing the letter C will insert the copyright symbol. Windows key plus M will minimize all currently running programs on your desktop. Ctrl plus Shift plus End will select all text and/or graphics from the present cursor position to the very end of a Windows document. Alt plus F4 plus Enter key will shut down your PC if you are on desktop. But if you are on a tab, for example if you are watching this video on PC, and you press Alt plus F4, it will close your browser. Ctrl plus Shift plus T will give back the tab that you have recently closed. Pressing the Windows plus Print key will take a screenshot, and pressing Windows plus G will record a tab. So, how will you zoom in and out from a keyboard shortcut? To zoom in and out with a keyboard shortcut, hold Ctrl and press the plus key to zoom in. Hold Ctrl and the key to zoom out. If you press Ctrl plus 1, 2, it will open the first and second tab on your browser. If you want to open a new tab from the keyboard, just press Ctrl plus T on your keyboard and a new tab will be opened. Pressing Ctrl plus S will save the document, if you are working on Word, Notepad, etc. Okay, so, how will you type symbol from your keyboard? You have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus $ to type the symbol. So, before the next combination, are you enjoying the video? If yes, then hit the like button. The next combination is, if you will be, pressing the Windows plus Spacebar key will change the language in which you are typing. What if you want to add or type an emoji in your text? Just press Windows plus greater than key to add emoji in your text. So, how do you like our video? Please let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.